Well, this is me in my tent. Just wake up at the Cairngorms. And I don't feel cold. It's my 4 sleeping bag. I've got long johns underneath here. This is my new slip-on boots. Put it inside your sleeping bag. Seem quite cosy. And I'll go for the halfway up mark. Up this Munro. It's the mountain to Munro. So I've got that. And this is all my gear. I've got hive warmers in my sleeping bag just to get any extra warmth. But I've also got a line in it, so I won't be cold. There's 3 mats underneath this sleeping bag, so there's no way I'm going to be cold. Got no air mattress. And this is my tent. This is my second door over there. It's dark, you won't really see. It's my light. But it's running low on battery actually, so I put on my one of the spare head torch lights. Don't know what temperature it says, but you get the odd wind gust. Shoot side. I went up at Cairngorms, folks. So I'll get a better video in the morning. It's just a wee quick video. Just to show you we've got the tent. Charge my GoPro up for the owner. Okay folks. Well, I think I'll do just now. Okay. And we'll see you in the morning.